The 4 Series Coupe is the core of the brand. It's the ultimate driving machine. And its customers are the most demanding, reference sportiness, precision and dynamics. The recipe is very simple. Lower the center of gravity, make the track wider, have a very stiff body with a sharpened suspension, and last not least, have a 50-50 weight distribution between front and rear axle.
BMW has a very strong heritage. The core of BMW is an elegant and dynamic saloon. The 4 is the coupe version of the 3 Series, and therefore for us, an everyday dream car. The heritage, which we used as inspiration for this car, are like icons, design icons like the 328 or the 3.0 CSI. All these cars, they really express what BMW stands for. They combine elegance and dynamic in a very natural and daring way. In the second generation of the 4, we changed every single element of the 3 Series to give the 4 a very iconic and unique character. Not just the vertical and prominent kidney, but also the whole body side and the design language differentiates to a maximum of the 3 Series. The BMW double kidney is our strongest design icon. It clearly differentiates us from our competitors, but at the same time it allows us also to differentiate our own products from each other. As the 4 is a very important product for us, it has a very expressive and unique kidney interpretation, which roots, of course, to our heritage and to our first kidneys. But also in the future, every BMW deserves their own interpretation of a kidney.
Welcome to the BMW Group Classic. Coupes have always played an extremely important role at BMW. They are dream cars and brand shapers. When I was a boy, I was madly in love with this car, the BMW 3.0 CS. And the new BMW 4 Series Coupe brings back all of those feelings. It's pure joy to look at and to drive. It embodies the very essence of the BMW brand. The 4 is a forward-looking interpretation of BMW's enduring DNA. It gives you a good idea of how we want to combine the very latest in technology with a very strong and evocative design at BMW in the near future. The 4 also provides the basis for the all-electric i4, which will go into production in 2021. This second generation of the BMW 4 Series stands for even more aesthetics and dynamics than the first, and distinguishes itself even more clearly from its sibling, the very successful BMW 3 Series. This highly emotional coupe is set to delight customers who desire progressive design combined with advanced driving performance. It's a true BMW, a pure driving machine that sets the benchmark in its segment. And for the first time, we will offer an M Performance model in the 4 Series. The M440i xDrive, which I'm sure you're going to have a lot of fun driving.